I'm going to teach you how to add your own custom photo widget right on your iPhone's home screen. Maybe you want to personalize your layout with a favorite picture or simply make your home screen look better. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. It's super simple, and it just takes a few taps. Let's get started. First of all, you don't need to install any extra apps. This works with the built-in Photos and Widget system. Just make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Now open your Photos app, choose the photo you want as your widget, and tap the Share button. From the options, select Add to Album and then choose New Album. Name it however you want, for example, My Widget. Then tap Save. The photo is now added to your custom album. Now go back to the home screen and long press on any empty space until the icons start to jiggle. Tap the plus icon in the top corner to add a widget. In the search bar, type Photos, then select the Photos widget. Swipe through the widget styles until you see one that says Album, then tap Add Widget. You can choose the widget size, small, medium, or large, depending on how much space you want it to take. Once it's added to your home screen, long press the widget and choose Edit Widget. Now tap on Album, and from the list, select the album you just created. That's it. Your photo will now appear right on your home screen as a live widget. You can always go back and add more photos to that album to rotate them, or create different albums for different moods or styles.